Hi everybody, welcome to week 4 and module 4. This week we're going to be taking a look at chapters 4 and 5, and this is really focusing on individual differences. So self-awareness, understanding yourself, working with people that are different from you, emotional intelligence, and emotions in the workplace. Okay, so again, a quiz. So as you figured out at this point, there are some questions that I have to go in and grade on the quiz. So if you put in a fill-in-the-blank word and you spell it differently, or you add an extra word and it marks it wrong, just email me with the quiz number and the question number, and I'll go in and give you credit for it. And then some of the questions I have to just grade straight out, and it shows me that in the grade book. So let me know if you have questions about any of those. Okay, so Module 4, Assignment 1, basically, I'm going to ask you to fill out a bunch of self-assessments. So this is the chapter where you're learning more about yourself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different assessments. Just go into the book and complete those assessments. Give me your score and explain what it means. And then for each of those, so you can just do bullet points. So, this survey, here are my results, here's my category, here's how I can use it to be a more effective leader. And I give you some suggestions about how to write about that. So this is an individual written assignment that you send just to me. Again, just like every other module, choose one of the put it into practice boxes. Tell me which one you chose, do what it says, and then write about what you learned from it. The discussion board for this week is about emotional intelligence. So whether you've heard about it or not, this is an important topic for effective leaders. So read about emotional intelligence that basically is all about recognizing and managing your emotions and recognizing and managing the emotions of others. So if you can do all 4 of those things, you're going to be a highly effective leader, more effective than someone that doesn't have emotional intelligence. So what I'm asking you to do with the discussion board is to share 2 examples, one of emotional intelligence being used well, and one of EI being used poorly. Usually it's easier to find examples of EI being used poorly. And so you should identify, here's an example. And so I gave you an example, a sample video. Okay, here was the behavior. Here is, it was high or low self-awareness, self-management, empathy, or relationship management. And you can get deeper than that, but at least go, which of the 4 quadrants are you demonstrating here that's effective or not effective? You can go deeper and talk about aspects of each of those, but at least analyze your example. And so, so you can use a video, a personal example, literature, however you want to get your example. But the idea is for you to understand what emotional intelligence is and then to demonstrate that you can apply it to analyze a situation. So remember, in all of these assignments, I am looking to be able to assess, did you understand the course content? Are you able to apply it or analyze it, evaluate it? So be sure you're always including specific concepts from the chapter. Oh, we already got somebody set up. So also, again, be sure to respond to 2 other posts. So then I have videos on, there's the slides. And that may be, videos on some of the different topics that are in your chapter if you want to learn more about those. How we're similar and difficult. Oh yeah, Seinfeld. I love when I can use a Seinfeld clip. What are the assessments you're going to do? Okay, you've already done that, so you're not going to have that. So anyway, have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions or any problems. Keep sending those emails.